Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. This is my report is chapter 2, parole. Letter A, parole and executive clemency. Parole is different from executive clemency. Parole. Parole is granted by the Board of Pardon and Parole, while cases regarding executive clemency are decided by the President of the Philippines. Parole refer to the conditional release sa usa ka nakasala gikan sa usa ka penal nga institusyon human na sa serve the minimum nga panahon siya ang sentensya sa prison. Parole was created under Republic Act 4103 or otherwise known as the Determinate Sentence Law, while the 1987 Constitution served as the legal basis executive clemency. Meaning of parole. Parole is derived from the French concept of parole d'honneur and is used in the sense of word honor. Thus, the implication is that the released prisoner will give his word of honor and that we will abide by the terms of his conditional release. The meaning of parole is an inmate may maaaring bigyan ng discharge sa parole sa tuwing matutuklasan ang responsibilidad, probability na kung palayain ng bilanggo ay magiging masunurin sa batas at ang pagpapalaya ay hindi incompatible with interest or welfare ng lipunan. And we also have parole rules, probation law, and executive clemency. Today, the Board of Pardon and Parole define parole as a conditional release of a prisoner from a correctional institution after he has served the minimum of his prison sentence. Parole rules. It is the first time na nagkasala na nakatulan ng isang krimen na kaparusahan ng pagkakulong ng wala pang 6 na taon, and this minimum of his prison is pinakamahabang parusa o tagal ng oras na dapat convicted person sa bilangguan. And the next topic is historical background of parole. Parole as a penal practice is a part of the reformatory idea which originated as a result of the call for reforms on how prisoners were treated during the Dark Age in the Europe. Among the practices in the 17th and 18th century was the conditional pardon granted to indentured servants transported to the American colonies, wherein violation of the terms of condition result in the withdrawal of the conditional pardon. In history of parole, parole was formally introduced in the country through the enactment of the Philippines Parole Law of 1915. At the time is noong ika-17 at 18 siglo ay may kondisyong papatawad ng pinagkaloob sa mga tagapaglingkod na dinala sa mga kolonya ng Amerika. In the late 18th century and the early 19th century, converting merchant ship into the floating prison was a common practice of the English penal system. To decongest their prisoner, these floating prisons were moored in the Thames River and were referred to as hooks. Moreover, prior to the independence of the American colonies, convicts were habitually sent to the colonies. After their independence, the prisoners were sent to Australia. For example, in the year 1798 of the 1900s, prisoners that were sent to Australia, 1400s were initially held in this watery prison. The third and the last, history of parole in Australia. Captain James Cook was an English explorer who circumnavigated the world and had pioneered the exploration of New Zealand and East Australia. He instituted the idea of establishing a penal colony in the area which he had colonized. C. Parol in Australia. Si Captain James Cook, siya ay may pinakasimulan niya ang idea na matatag ng isang kolonya ng penal sa lugar ng kanyang kinulon. And Captain Arthur Phillip established the first penal colony in Australia. He was a commander of a fleet of 11 ships with 2 escorting warships that sailed in 1787 from Spithead, England, when a load of expatriated convicts. Si Captain Arthur Phillip itinatag niya noong first penal colony sa Australia. Siya ay isang commander ng isang fleet ng 11 barko na may 2 siyang escort during warship. And the next is Captain Arthur Phillip established the first penal colony in Australia. He was a commander of a fleet of 11 ships with the 2 escorting warships that set sail in 1787 from Spithead. And lastly, we have names to the remember in the history of the Parol. Number 1, Captain Alexander Macanucci in England became the governor of superintendent of Norfolk Island, a penal colony in the east of Australia. And initiated the famous mark system. This system had 5 characteristics. First, it placed emphasis of reforming the offender rather than so-called deterrent of retributive principle. Number 1 is Captain Alexander Macanucci. Siya ay may paraan ng penal na buo noong 1840 ni Alexander Macanucci sa kolony ng penal ng Ingles ng Norfolk Island. And din the system, ito ay may 5 katangian. Una, binigyan din ito ng pagreforma sa nagkasala. And number 2, Sir Walter Crofton remedied and perfect the failure and drawbacks of the mark system when he appointed direction of the Irish prison system in 1854. The Irish or Crofton system integrated both punishment and reformation made up the stage. At si Walter Crofton, the director of Irish prison, in his program noon, ang mga bilanggo ay sumulong sa 3 yugto ng pagkakulong bago sila ibalik sa buhay sibilyan, and first portion of the sentence was served in isolation. Number 3, Dr. Samuel Gradley Howe of Boston was the first man to use the word parole. He used the term in a letter to the Prison Association of New York in 1869. This came about after the association appointed a committee to reform the prison system of New York following the penal reform that were instituted the Great Britain. Si Dr. Samuel Gradley Howe of Boston, siya daw ang unang tao na gumamit ng salitang parole. He used the term in a letter to the Association of New York noong 1869. At nag-appoint sila ng committee to reform to the prison system na sinundan ng reforms that were instituted in Great Britain. And the lastly is Zebulon R. Brockway was the first superintendent eternity reformatory. Her compulsory developed parole which spread to other states in the United States of America as the warden of a Elmira Reformatory from 1876 to 1900. He implement program that made of use combination of education, skills, and trades, training, indeterminated sentence, classification of inmate, and incentive of program. Si Sibulon naman daw ang unang superintendent reformatory and siya ang nag-implement ng programa na ginamit sa edukasyon, skills, and trade trainings. And that's all. Thank you.